Marvel's Spidey and his amazing friends, superhero Hiccups. Spidey and Spin are superheroes. Someone set off an alarm at the library. Spidey and Spin head inside. Spin sees Green Goblin reading a book. Green Goblin reads about a legendary warrior, the Pumpkin King. Green Goblin wants the Pumpkin King power sword. It can destroy anything. The heroes try to stop Green Goblin, but Spin has hiccups. Green Goblin does pumpkin pranks. Spin tries to trip a web, but he hiccups again. Green Goblin leaves to find the power sword. Spin thinks his hiccups ruin everything, but Spidey says it is okay. Spidey says, when a plan doesn't go my way, I just try something else to save the day. Spin feels better. We must find the power sword before Goblin does, Spin says. Spidey takes a picture of the book Goblin was reading. Maybe they will find the clue. The heroes go to web quarters. Gwen looks for clues. Can she find the power sword? But Spin still has hiccups. He almost zapped his friends with his arachno sting. Gwen finds the power sword. It is at the museum. Spin wants to stay. He thinks his hiccups will cause trouble. But even with his hiccups, Spin can still help. The team goes to the museum. They will get the power sword before Green Goblin does. The heroes get the sword, but Green Goblin takes it. Spin still has hiccups, but he must save his friends. Spin uses invisibility power. He pretends to be a ghost. Spin hiccups and zaps again. Green Goblin is very afraid. He thinks it is a real ghost. Green Goblin drops the sword. Spin takes the power sword. Spin frees his friends with the power sword. Green Goblin tries to escape, but the Spidey team catches him in their webs. The Spidey team wins, and Spin hiccups are gone. But now Green Goblin has hiccups. Sorry, Goblin. The end.